Your ability to connect, it's one of your most powerful co-healers.
If you ever catch yourself thinking, okay, I'll heal when I get the right diagnosis, or when I take this supplement, or when I finish this treatment.
That waiting game.
Yeah. Gently shift that thought. Try this instead. Every moment of connection is part of my healing.
Ooh, I like that. Feel the difference. Maybe explore guided visualization. Spend a few minutes each day just imagining your whole body filled with warmth, light, unconditional love. Picture every single cell just soaking up that healing energy. Let's call this connected healing.
So, or if it feels comfortable, just gently close your eyes.
Imagine yourself standing or sitting, bathed in a soft, golden light. It's warm, gentle. Feels like the most comforting blanket imaginable wrapping around you.
And all around you within this golden light, sense a circle of loving presence. Maybe it's people you know and love, maybe guides or ancestors, or just the pure, loving energy of the universe itself.
You don't have to see faces clearly, just sense their supportive, caring energy surrounding you. They're here just for you,
Yeah.
holding this sacred space for your healing. Feel that support.
Now imagine that beautiful golden light streaming into your body. Entering through the crown of your head. Flowing down into your chest. Down your arms. Down your legs. All the way to your fingertips and toes. Feel it filling every part of you.
And feel it concentrating, perhaps, in any areas that need extra care right now. Your heart, maybe. Your stomach. Your back. Your mind. Just let that golden light flow right to those places.
With every breath in, feel the light getting stronger, steadier within you. And with every breath out, feel any tension, any discomfort just melting away. Sinking down into the earth beneath you. Being transformed.
Let's take 3 more slow, full breaths right here. In this beautiful connected space. And with each breath, silently repeat these words to yourself, letting them resonate within you.
I am connected.
I am supported.
I am healing.
Just rest in that feeling for another moment.
And whenever you feel ready, you can gently bring your awareness back and open your eyes. Know that you can return to this place anytime.
Beautiful.